Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Monday, the 13th of April. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. First thing I want to say is it's dry out there. And, I was working yesterday, getting some leaves up. I basically mulch my leaves. I'm probably using more CO2 mulching the leaves than I would if I did something else with them. But I like the way they look in the garden. So I mulch them all up with a chipper, and then they get put back into the garden and kind of keeps things a little bit protected. But the soil's really starting to dry out. The topsoil's dry. I needed to water a few things already yesterday. Anything that I started seed wise needs watering. So yeah, it's one of those Aprils where we're just going to need rain. Not sure when the pattern's going to break, but we're definitely going to be warm here this week. So temperatures today in the 60s. It's going to be windy over the Cape and the islands. As you head down towards the Cape and the islands, temperatures will be a lot cooler. So, only in the 50s and 60s. Same thing like south coast of Rhode Island. So you go down to Newport today, probably be like 57. That's pretty chilly. You go up, say, north of Providence, you get up toward that area, 67. So a full 10 degrees difference. Same thing for, say, Nantucket. You look at Nantucket's high temperature this afternoon, they'll probably be in the low 50s, very chilly, sitting there on the water, about 53, 54 degrees. But then you get up toward, say, west of Plymouth, maybe Taunton, you're at 61. And then you go all the way up to Fitchburg, and you're 66. So big difference in temperature across the area. Now, tonight, the warm air is with us. We're in the 50s to near 60. Tomorrow, 70s to low 80s. Wednesday, upper 70s to maybe mid 80s in some of those favored warm areas. Thursday we'll pull back a little bit, and then we'll see what happens on Friday. Could be back to the 70s to low to mid 80s again. And right now, the weekend's looking pretty nice, very warm as well into the 70s. So it's a summer-like week. If you've planted grass seed, peas, carrots, lettuces, anything like that, you're going to have to water. Remember, no leaves on the trees, no shade. So that's the other thing. Things dry out really quickly this time of the year. Have a great day, everybody.